Luc, wat heb jij daar op tafel?
The new GoPro Hero 6 Black.
See.
It was launched a few weeks ago.
1 week ago.
1 week ago, as a matter of fact. And I bought this for my birthday.
You got it for your birthday.
I've got it for my birthday. And it's the really first GoPro ever that I have. So I like to unbox this and show it to you guys.
Okay.
So let's start the unboxing.
In the meantime, mother's cooking. And the laptop is trying to do the time machine backup stuff.
Yeah. Here it goes. Here. It says GoPro on the side here.
GoPro, baby.
So, and this is the brand new GoPro Hero 6 Black. Let's show what's inside. First we have the GoPro manual, some stickers from GoPro, and the instructions of the GoPro.
Which we never read.
Nope, I never read that. And finally, we've got the battery. It's really small.
Teensy. Yeah.
Tiny.
Yeah, you just read that it only lasts for 2 hours.
Almost 2 hours. And yeah, a mount
Yeah.
for the GoPro.
Adhesive mount.
A second mount for the GoPro.
Yeah, a second adhesive mount. Okay.
And the cable to charge it.
Yep.
But that's not the only thing I have. No, I've got some more things like the SD card, what you use for the GoPro. And I can pack it out, but first let's do the unpacking from the accessories. These accessories.
That's it.
And this got a waterproof thing, a driver.
It
Driver,
does. It's a float.
A float. It has a tripod, which we absolutely gonna use. Some extra mounts for the GoPro and stickers. And we have, yeah, I don't know where this is for, but it is really handy to have.
Oh yeah, real handy.
And we have some.
You're funny, Luke.
Yeah. I don't know what this is either.
I think they're stickables. Something like
Stickables?
that. Yeah, you can stick them. Wait a minute. Let's take a look here. Yeah, there's a sticky thing on it. Yeah, you can. There's a. Well, anyway, so cool.
And this is a strap.
Yep.
For the GoPro. A bike mount for your bike. So you can put a GoPro on it. And it's got, yeah, a really strange thing. I don't know where it is.
I think that's also a band or whatever that's to attach.
And we've got a strap for the mount for your head or for the chest.
Yeah.
To put on it. And we have a normal selfie stick. So that's very handy to use. But this is absolutely awesome because this is the mount what you can use here, and it is 360 degrees turning, so you have your hands free to film.
Yep.
That's very handy if you're staying. And some more gimbals for the GoPro. I don't know where this is for, but okay. And this is the yeah, what is called
Isn't that your chest strap?
chest strap.
What is that? The chest strap?
Yeah, this for the chest and this
That's
for the head,
helmet.
I think.
Yeah, your head or your helmet, whatever. Yeah.
Yep. It's for in your car that you can
A suction cup for your windshield.
for in the airplane maybe,
Ah, airplane.
and some more things what you can use, like this all things.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okie doke, guy. Well, you got a lot of stuff to pack out and to install.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's be back if I have everything installed.
Okay. Bye.